This is BrainTech YouTube channel. I welcome you once again to this amazing channel. I'll be taking a few of your minutes to show you how to make between $50 to $100 daily with AI, artificial intelligence. To kickstart this article, this tutorial, I'll be taking few topics on this tutorial. But before we begin, I'll urge you to subscribe to this channel. When you subscribe, you stand to gain new content from this channel via notifications each time we drop one. Please stay tuned. To make $50 to $100 daily with AI, all you have to do is to search and download ChatSmith from any store, be it Apple, be it Google Play Store. But on this device, I have one installed already, so we will be using that for this tutorial. Search for ChatSmith, launch it. It has been launched. So some of the areas we'll need to focus on is how to use this AI app to make this money by using these options: written content, creating YouTube video, SEO research, and trending keywords. These are few of the jobs you can undertake to make $50 to $100 via this app or any AI app of your choice. So the first thing I want to show to you is how to work on trending keywords for clients. There are some clients that are interested in finding who to give them or who to supply them with trending keywords for their blog or their online video platforms like TikTok or YouTube. Let us work on that. All you have to do is to navigate the ChatSmith app in order to find trending keywords on any topic a client requests for. Click on View All Tags to take you to marketing. When you get to marketing, you use SEO keywords. SEO keywords under marketing. So from here, check any keyword a client gave to you. For example, YouTube. The client wants to work on YouTube. So with this app, you can research on any trending keywords on YouTube. These are the trending keywords on YouTube you have to work on in order to impress your clients to pay up to $50 to $100. Some of the keywords include video SEO, YouTube optimization, YouTube marketing, YouTube channel growth, YouTube video promotion, YouTube keyword research, YouTube analytics, YouTube monetization, YouTube algorithm, YouTube engagement, YouTube SEO tools, YouTube content strategy, YouTube subscriber growth, YouTube advertising, YouTube SEO checklist, These are the trending keywords on YouTube you have to work for your clients. All you have to do is to navigate to the marketing section of the ChatSmith app and locate SEO tool on these options to work on this for a client. Another area we have to check is SEO keywords. We just work on that. So you can as well focus on more trending tools on this ChatSmith by typing whatsoever you want. For example, you want to focus on SEO, just search and then allow the app to give you the result, and automatically you can now use it for any clients. This app is telling us all we have to know about SEO, and this falls on the SEO research. So all you have to do is to use this tool to work on SEO research for any client, and you stand a chance to get between $50 and $100 daily. So as you can see, the ChatSmith is telling us all we have to know about SEO under few minutes, under few seconds. Search engine optimization, SEO services, organic traffic, keyword research, on-page optimization, link building, SEO audits, SEO best practices, local SEO tools. All thanks to this tool. All thanks to the SEO keywords that I did explain that works under SEO research. You can as well use other tools to create a YouTube video for your client. All you have to do is to navigate through this app, and automatically you get all that you are looking for. You can as well use this app under the education section to work on grammar checks for your clients. So all you have to do is to visit this section and type on any keyword you want to use in checking for a grammar check. And you can as well use this to make money. Let us check on other options on this app that you can use in making money up to $100 daily. Remember the options I did gave you earlier: general written content, create YouTube video, SEO research, trending keywords research, among others are some of the few things you can do on any AI platform to make between $50, $100 or even more from your clients. So check the options listed here to make money on this platform. You can as well use under the phone option on this AI app to write lyrics for clients. All you have to do is to navigate to the phone section of this app and click on lyric writer. You can use this option to make lyrics for musicians. You can use this app to make artwork, inspiration, movie marathon, book club, movies, songs, etc. You can as well use this app to make email drafting, project management, task organizer, analyze data. You can as well use this app to generate email, research insights, brand tagline, product naming, etc. Under the health section, you can use it to do so many things: the healthy receipt, podcast, wellness playlist, virtual fitness, yoga retreat, etc. So let me show you other things you can use the AI to do and equally to make good money from. You can as well use this app to find solution to mathematics. You can use this app to find solution on mathematics by going to the educational section and then clicking on maths solutions. You can as well use this app under the general written content to check on writing assistance under the education option on this app. Click on writing assistance. So as you can see, the app is asking us which topic are you writing about. All you have to do is to put the topic and automatically it will give you all you have to know about that topic. So from these options, you can use it to make money from clients. For example, you want to write about the federal government. All you have to do is to come to this section and type on federal government and click on the green logo by the right hand of your screen to start searching about government, because earlier it has asked you which topic are you writing about. Structure, general writing tip. So you have to use general writing tip, structure, grammar, or anything you know you are looking for in order to make money. Because this app, you can virtually use it to do anything, all thanks to making money on the internet. General writing tip. So automatically, since it has asked you what type of writing help do you need, grammar, structure, or general writing tips, all you have to do is to type in where you are looking. You are searching for assistance via the app. Automatically, it will give you all that you are looking for. As you can see, it is giving us all we had asked for on writing assistance. So with this, you'll be able to get your content right and start making between 50, 100 or more dollars daily from clients. So let's check what the app has given us under the general writing tips we have asked for. Sure, here are some general writing tips to help you with your topic on the federal government. Plan and outline. Understand your audience. Start with a strong introduction. Use clear and concise language. Provide evidence and examples. Organize paragraphs effectively. Use transitions. Proofread and edit. Seek feedback. Practice regularly. Here is all that we have asked for on this app. And if you check the app, we have other interesting options that we can use in making money. Like this option, you can see captivating titles, trending hashtag. Those are some of the few things you can do to make money using the AI, and as well as using voice notes to make money. Like if you check the down part of your screen, you see a microphone logo. You can use that to make voice sounds and get interpretation on the AI app, and you stand a chance to make money daily, among other options. Just check this app to find out what works for you, or what clients are searching for, or what client wants you to do. And I assure you, you'll start making that money, especially on the SEO research or trending keywords for content creation. And I'm so sure your feedback on this video will be amazing after using it. Do you have any question? Drop it in the comment section of this video. Like this video, share it to your friends. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please subscribe. We have other interesting videos in this channel. Please do well to browse and watch. Leave a comment. Thank you for watching the video.